Hello everyone. So today Miss Liu cannot be around, so I'm relying on this video to help you to complete this work on sites on page 50 of your workbook. Okay, so the files that are given to you are from Google Classroom, and you can refer to MAL folder that is MAL4. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to create a video using Openshot, and this video will allow you to complete a video on the landscapes of Singapore. Okay, so we have to open a new project in the video editing software, which is Openshot. Okay, so and we have to save the project as sites_your name. And the sequence of the storyboard is title, gardens, bridge, skyline, Malayan, and credits. So title and credits must be created by you. The rest are already given. Okay, so let's start. At any time, you can pause the video so that you can go to workbook page 50. So this is Openshot, and I need to always remember to start with the view, simple view, so that we get into the same layout as everyone else. Okay. Now we need to import the files. So click the plus sign. Plus is to import, and the files are from MAL4. Set to CPA files, MAL4. Okay, so these are the files. You have bridge, gardens, Malayan, skyline, and sunshine. Okay, so skyline is a MP4 video, which means you can watch this video, and sunshine is an MP3 audio file, which is music. Okay, so I'm going to press open. In order to do this selection, I use the control button on the keyboard, press and hold, and click to select these 5 items. Press open. Okay, so the software has imported my files. Okay, so we need to now refer to the workbook. So we need to create the title and the credits. It's mentioned here. Add the text Sites of Singapore in the title. So I want you to also add done by your name. Okay, so let's start. Title, and choose the one that is the 2 lines, which is standard one. Okay, the file name for this first title can just remain as title, and after which it is Sites of Singapore and done by your name. Okay, so I'll put my name for this video. Press OK. Next, we need the text done by your name in the credits. So we will only put this done by your name in the credits. So I need you to go to title again. And since it's just 1 line, we can choose the standard 2. Okay, so this is credit. And we'll go with the line 1 is done by your name. Okay, I'm going to remove this second line. Okay, and press OK. As you can see, the software has created 2 images. Okay, and I have named them title and credits, so that it's easy for me to select them later. Okay, so what have we done? We have Openshot, save the file as sites. We are now still creating the video, so part C is still in progress. Okay, so add the text Sites of Singapore in the title, I've done that. Add the text done by your name in the credits, I've done that. Now we need to set the duration of each frame, excluding the video, to be 3 seconds. So I want you to add this line and any transition of 0.5 seconds. Okay, so this must be done together. Okay, so our method to do it is always the one that is to add to timeline. Okay, we'll use this method and it's the fastest instead of doing 3 seconds for individual image. So we are going to do all at one go. Alright, so let's start. We need to choose all these files, okay, and right click to add to timeline. So to switch to this image, this software very fast. Okay, what I do is I press alternate tab. Okay, so I've taught you before. Alright, so I'm going to choose title, bridge, garden, Malayan, skyline, which is the video, MP4 are videos, and credits. I do not choose sunshine because sunshine is a MP3 audio file. Okay, so I'm going to right click anywhere on the blue image or video. I'm going to add to timeline. So over here, I must make sure, okay, number 1 is done, the sequence. Number 2 is the image length. Don't worry, we will not change the length of the video, okay, because there's no way in this window to change video length. Okay, so the last one is the transition. Okay, so number 1, let's do it. The sequence is bridge, gardens, Malayan, skyline, and credits. So let me just double check. Title, gardens, then bridge, skyline, then Malayan, and credits. Okay, gardens must be on top of bridge, skyline, then Malayan. Okay, then credits. So use this up and down arrow to adjust. Okay, next, track. Which track? Okay, it should be track number 4. I did not change the track to PV for photos and videos just now, but I know it's track number 4. Then it has to be 3 seconds, and the transition is circle in to out or any other transition that you like and feel that is suitable. Okay, so and the transition length is 0.5 seconds and press OK. Okay, so let's now refer to our timeline, our track. Okay, so our track, the first track we have reserved for captions. So we're going to right click, rename track, captions, and press OK. Track 4, rename track to PV, which is photos and videos. And we have actually done that. Scroll down using your mouse. Track number 3 is gonna be music. Okay, all right, we are almost done, but remember we need the captions. Okay, so this is what it is: title, gardens, bridge, skyline, Malayan, and credits. Okay, it's set up exactly how we wanted it to be. Okay, so we are done for part F. Part G, add the audio sunshine into the video. So add the audio sunshine. Okay, so I use my mouse to scroll to music and sunshine, click and drag and push it to 0 seconds. Okay, so now the audio must only be for the video. Okay, into the video. So the video meaning the entire video, okay, that we are making. So scroll out. Okay, please do not have an audio file that is longer than your entire video. So use your mouse to shorten the music. Okay, let go. And now we must take care of supposed to take care of the captions, but maybe I leave it to the last. Okay, so I'm going to insert fade in and fade out for the music. Choose the appropriate speed. So I'm going to choose slow. Okay, so how to do fade in and fade out? Fade in is when the music comes into the video. So right click on the music at the music track. Okay, go to volume, start of the clip, fade in slow. Okay, right click on the music track again, volume, end of the clip, fade out slow. Okay, when we do that, there will be bubbles introduced on the track itself, okay, to show that you've done so. Okay, so now we are done with part H and we are supposed to just save our project. Okay, so let's just do a quick save first. You can actually press Ctrl S, name it as sites, and save. Okay, this is the Openshot file that you've just saved. Okay, so now I'm going to do the captions. The captions, I need a few. So title. Okay, so what are the titles that I'm making? I'm making Gardens, Bridge, Skyline, Merlion. Okay, so I need 4. Title, bar 3, Gardens, okay, Bridge, Skyline, and Merlion. Press OK. Second one, Bridge, and rename and duplicate the same name so that it's easy to find image later. Okay, so the third one, bar 3 again. Okay, title bar 3, and Skyline. Okay, and last one, title bar 3, and Merlion. Okay, press OK. And now I have 4 more images that I can click and drag. So don't need to use the add to timeline method. Okay. Okay, please make sure the gardens is above the gardens image. Okay, and before the next image. So it's up to you. For me, I choose after the blue transition bubble and before the second transition bubble. Okay, so after the blue transition bubble and before the next transition bubble. Okay, so press Ctrl S to save again. Okay, so what must we do after saving? We need to export the video to MP4 format using the same file name sites. Okay, so this is the last part. Press the red circle to export the video. We are going to make sure the files, okay, that you're going to export to is the same one at the CPA set to files, MEL number 4. Okay, select folder. Okay, so the title will be sites underscore your name. Okay, and it is an MP4 format. It must be low resolution. Don't go everywhere to find the 72030. It's just 2 steps down. Okay, 72030 frames per second. Okay, so this must be low resolution so that your video that's exported can be below 5 megabytes. Okay, so now export video. Before you export the video, supposedly you should be pressing this video preview to make sure everything is how you want it. Okay, so it's perfect. So that is why we can actually export our video, because it's done. Okay, so if there's any mistakes, I suggest, okay, if there's any mistakes, it's best that for PV track you redo everything again, okay, instead of adjusting by moving the images. Okay, so well, we are done. Hopefully you can submit your video, which is the exported file. Okay, so this is the exported file, this one. Okay, the one with the MP4 video. I do not want the Openshot file. Okay, so MP4 video, submit to me in the CPA Google Classroom, and I've already created a post. Alright, thank you for watching. Goodbye.